I'm Coreen Wilson, and I lead product marketing for Digital.ai Agility. I'm very excited to announce the Corbett platform release and the new capabilities and enhancements released in Agility. In this broadcast, we're going to review what's new in Agility. We'll start with a top-level overview of the highlights, then review the key Agility capabilities and features, and finally, learn where to find more information and resources. Let's start with a quick overview of Agility highlights. Like all of you, the Agility team focuses on delivering incremental value to our users during every release. For Corbett, we focused on 3 areas, all of which enhance overall user and product experiences in some form, as well as provide an increased level of visibility into the flow of value. Our first highlight centers around enhanced automation to support capacity planning efforts at the portfolio level. Next, we'll discuss how we're fostering more collaboration directly in team rooms. Our last highlight covers how we continue to strive for excellence in user experience by presenting persona-based actionable insights for the Scrum Master and DevOps Manager, as well as an overall better product onboarding experience when getting started with Agility for the first time. Let's take a closer look. With our first capability, our goal was to create a view to help you deliver value more predictably with portfolio team forecasting. This completely new view assists product owners and program managers to get immediate understanding of impact when introducing a new portfolio item into the flow of work against overall team capacity. The view can be found in the sidebar by clicking Portfolio in the hamburger menu and selecting Team Forecasting. With easy drop and drag capabilities to move a portfolio item across time intervals, capacity is automatically calculated by targeting and rolling up team swag, updated within the capacity bar, and presented as a percentage or points. Red indicates team overload, and green shows the team still has room before they get to 100% capacity. Product owners and program managers can minimize risk in blindly taking on more work at a bad time, determine if lower priority items can be moved to make room for higher value items, and quickly find the most efficient path of value before committing to plan. The portfolio team forecasting view enables businesses to get a true view of potential value flow opportunities. Our second capability focuses on team-level capacity and the ability to balance work against the availability of individuals and known events that impact velocity, like holidays. Teams are now able to manage this without ever leaving their team room with a single calendar view. The TeamRoom Calendar enables individuals to enter their own PTO, localizes time zones for global teams, supports single and multi-day events, and provides full visibility into team availability in a panel of a team room. There's no need to toggle to another screen or separate application to stay updated on individual availability. TeamRoom Calendar makes it easy for team members to mark time off so value can be planned more effectively in current and future sprint and iterations. By understanding individual and overall team availability, the business will realize better accuracy in overall capacity planning. As highlighted, we're creating opportunities to better manage the flow of work against capacity with forecasting and team availability features. But how do these new capabilities roll up to informing how long it will take to deliver value to your customers and whether you're on track? For our third capability, we are pleased to announce persona-based dashboards. Scrum Masters and DevOps managers can now measure and track what matters most to ensure work is flowing according to delivery schedules and with maximum productivity and excellent quality. Scrum Masters have a single dashboard to view and dig into key performance indicators that provide visibility into committed versus completed versus missed work in a given sprint, track changes to the defined scope of a sprint, track and identify trends in velocity and defects, and slice and dice by priority type, team, and iteration. This view enables better planning, better quality, improved predictability, team happiness in that they progress forward instead of spending time on fixing bugs and defects, and overall more satisfied customers when encountering a new feature. DevOps managers can track total builds versus failed builds by day, week, month, or year, dig into understanding patterns of failure, and measure the escape rate of defects that were uncovered in pre-production versus production, all of which help to mature CI and DevOps practices, prevent defect leakage, and provide a valuable gauge for overarching quality in releases. Stakeholders can see historical benchmarks to better understand current trends and pinpoint trouble spots, streamline deliverables, prioritize features, and prevent delays. All essential elements for staying ahead of schedule. And lastly, who cares about new feature and capability releases without properly introducing agility in the first place? Our last capability hones in on the agility experience and using features and capabilities to their fullest extent of intended user value, particularly during their first experience. With this in mind and direct feedback from our users, we're introducing user journeys, an interactive onboarding experience that takes users through the steps they need to use the product both efficiently and effectively. The first set of user journeys provide learning frameworks for administrative onboarding, team process management, and sprint management, centralized and hosted on the digital.ai documentation site. Users may choose to navigate in two visual ways: a metro map that illustrates all the stops the route takes in completing their journey, or as a tile list presented as a sequential checklist format to show the learning sections that must be completed to accomplish their goal. With digital.ai identity, the single sign-on authority across the platform and all of digital.ai that was introduced in our BAMF release, users can always pick up where they left off and know when a section is completed. In addition to the features discussed, we also have several user-requested feature enhancements delivered in the Corbett release. For example, within the Agility admin setting, admins can create a menu item for users to quickly connect to the integration and data synchronization application directly from Agility. And we introduced enhanced automation to move work items from project to project, all while keeping data synced. We covered quite a bit in this broadcast and have so much more additional information to share about Agility. You can learn more by visiting the Agility product page, check out the documentation site, head on over to community, and browse resources. And of course, we're always ready to meet you, so just reach out through our support portal. Thank you for joining us for this digital.ai Agility broadcast. At the end of the broadcast, you have an option to view short demos of our top Agility features and capabilities introduced here. So please be sure to check them out. Thank you and have a great day.